Video we will talk about how to select an item from list of item in UI react.js. Like here we have this list of item in the drop down. So when I'm selecting here Cambodia, then it is coming here. So how it is getting done, we will see in this video. First of all, if you haven't installed material UI, then give the command npm I at the rate material -ui go to install it, and just import this three tag: menu item, form control, and select. Okay, after that just define these three variables: countries, country, and country info in the state. Whenever you will define all these three, then come to the next point, which is we are using this use effect function here to fetch the data from this API and to put the data into this state variable country info. So here we are doing this. Next, what we are doing is that we are just putting two things: first the name of the country and the code of the country in this countries variable, which we have defined here. So we have used two things right now: first this variable countries variable in this use effect by fetching all the data into this. Second, we are using this country info. No, sorry, first we are using this country info here, and second we are using this countries here. In this second countries, we are just giving two data. First one is the name of the country, and second one is the value or the code of the country. Okay, hope so you have understand it. Now coming to the third part. The third part is to display all the name of the country. So to display all the name of the country, first you can ignore this all line. First, what we are doing is that we are just taking the variable which contain the country name and country code. So which variable contain country name and country code? You can see here this countries variable. This countries variable here contain country name and country code. So what we are doing here is that we are taking that country variable, and we are mapping through it, and we are just displaying the name of the country, tagging with the value of the country. We are not displaying the value of country, we are only displaying the name of the country. Addition to it, we are displaying one more thing, that is worldwide. Okay, you can see here. Addition to it, we are displaying one more thing, that is worldwide and name of all the country. Okay, now you will think why we are written here country.value, because we are tagging this name to this value. You can just view this value using console.log. Okay, now everything is all set up, displaying all the value is set up. Now the fourth point is, whenever we are clicking on this Canada, the Canada is coming here. How it's getting done? Whenever we are clicking on this Congo, then this Congo is coming here. This all is the magic of this select tag. So what is happening here is that just right here select tag, this variant outline is used to just this for this outline. You can ignore this. Now second thing what we are doing is that we are just telling that on change, just go on the on country change function. So whenever we are giving any change, then it is just going into this on country change function, and in this on country change function what we are doing is that whatever value the user is selecting, that code will come into the country code, and it will check whether user selected worldwide, whether you selected worldwide, this worldwide, or any other value. If user has selected any other value, then it will go into this link and fetch that URL and convert that URL into data, and it will setting these two variable of the stack. First one is the country code and second one is the data. So when it is setting the country code, then what is happening here is that set country as country code. So it is going into this set country state, and it is setting this country variable to whatever country code we are selecting here, like this. like Armenia. So Armenia country code will come into this country variable. Now Armenia country code is come into this country variable. You can just see that Armenia country code because I am doing a console.log country. So let's see it. So inspect it, console, and you can see here Armenia. When I will select Andorra, then you can see Andorra is coming here. So what is happening here? The country code is coming. So everything is going fine here because value is equal to country, means whatever user is selecting, that you have to display that it is selecting. So value here is tagged to the name, and in the menu item this value is tagged to the name. So whatever value user is selecting, the name is displaying from here because already the name is all displaying in the menu item. So what select tag is doing, it is selecting the value and the name is all displaying here. Hope so understand this video. Thank you for watching.